Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I want to talk about an important and powerful chapter of the Quran, Surah Kafirun. This surah, though short, carries profound meanings and numerous benefits for us as Muslims. It reminds us of the essence of our faith, strengthens our connection to Allah, and serves as a shield against disbelief and hypocrisy. Let us delve deeper into the benefits, significance, and recommended practices of reciting this beautiful surah. Understanding Surah Al-Kafirun. Surah Al-Kafirun, the 109th chapter of the Quran, is a declaration of monotheism. It was revealed in Makkah and consists of just 6 verses. Its message is simple but powerful. It rejects all forms of idolatry and calls upon Muslims to worship Allah alone. The central theme of this surah is the clear distinction between belief and disbelief, emphasizing that Muslims should remain steadfast in their devotion to Allah without compromise. The benefits of reciting Surah Al-Kafirun. Affirmation of Tawheed, monotheism. Surah Kafirun reminds us of the importance of worshipping Allah alone. It affirms our belief in the oneness of Allah, which is the foundation of Islam. Protection from shirk, associating partners with Allah. By reciting this surah, we declare our separation from any form of shirk or disbelief. It is a safeguard for our faith and protects our hearts from being influenced by false beliefs. Earning Allah's pleasure. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that reciting Surah Kafirun is equivalent to reciting 1/4 of the Quran. Imagine the immense reward we earn by reciting this small chapter with sincerity and devotion. Safety from hypocrisy. This surah serves as a reminder of sincerity in worship. Regular recitation keeps our intentions pure and strengthens our resolve to worship Allah alone, thus protecting us from hypocrisy. Blessings and rewards. Reciting this surah brings immense blessings into our lives. It strengthens our iman, faith, and serves as a source of spiritual purification. Peace of mind and protection. By reciting it, especially before sleeping, we entrust ourselves to Allah's protection, ensuring peace of mind and safety from negative influences. When and how often should we recite it? Now that we know its benefits, when and how should we incorporate this surah into our daily lives? Here are some specific recommendations. Before sleeping, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised us to recite Surah Kafirun before sleeping. This habit not only protects us from shirk, but also brings peace and tranquility to our hearts as we rest. In Sunnah prayers, it is Sunnah to recite Surah Kafirun in the second rak'ah of the following prayers. The 2 rak'ahs of Sunnah before Fajr. The 2 rak'ahs of Sunnah after Maghrib. By doing this, we follow the practice of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and gain additional rewards. In morning and evening supplications. Recite it as part of your morning and evening adkar remembrances. This habit ensures that we start and end our day with a declaration of our devotion to Allah. During times of temptation or doubt, whenever we feel tempted or pressure to compromise our faith, reciting Surah Kafirun serves as a powerful reminder to stay steadfast and hold firmly to our belief in Allah. On special occasions, Surah Kafirun is often recited during special occasions to reaffirm our faith. It is particularly significant in moments when we seek Allah's guidance and strength. How many times should we recite it? There is no fixed number prescribed in the Quran or Hadith for how many times we should recite Surah Kafirun daily. However, here are some practical guidelines. Recite it at least once before sleeping, as per the Sunnah. Some scholars recommend reciting it 3 times or more in the morning and evening for added blessings. You can also include it in your daily prayers, especially in Sunnah prayers. What matters most is not the quantity but the sincerity and understanding with which we recite it. Reflect on its meaning and make it a regular part of your worship, so dear brothers and sisters. Surah Kafirun is not just a chapter to recite, it is a declaration of our identity as Muslims. It reminds us to worship Allah alone, remain steadfast in our faith, and reject all forms of disbelief. By making this surah a regular part of our lives, we strengthen our connection to Allah, earn His pleasure, and protect ourselves from spiritual harm. Let us commit to reciting this surah regularly, understanding its message, and applying it in our lives. May Allah grant us sincerity in our worship, protect us from shirk, and guide us to His straight path. Jazakum Allah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.